Running a local business isn't just about offering great products or services, it's about getting found online, building trust fast, and staying top of mind in your community. In a digital-first world, your storefront needs to live just as strongly on Google and social media as it does on Main Street. Hi, I'm Augie. I've worked with some of the most recognized local and national retail businesses, like Models Sporting Goods, New York Sports Club, Lacrosse Unlimited, and many others. Alongside that, I've helped dozens of local businesses, from salons to auto repair shops to boutique law firms, grow their digital footprint, boost online reviews, and automate follow-up to turn browsers into buyers. This plan breaks it down in a way that's simple, repeatable, and finally makes local marketing feel doable. Build a brand that makes you the local favorite. Why this matters. Your brand is the first impression customers get, online or offline. Whether they find you on Google, scroll past your Instagram, or drive by your sign, you want them to instantly recognize your value. A strong brand improves local business credibility, in-store traffic, and repeat customer loyalty. What it includes: clear messaging around your unique local value proposition, a consistent visual identity that pops in signage, menus, and social media, stellar reviews, and a reputation management system that builds trust. 24/7 example. One local spa owner revamped her Google listing, posted weekly self-care tips on Instagram, and showcased her team in stories. Her bookings tripled in 90 days, and her brand became a local go-to for wellness. Get found, marketing plus prospecting. Power, why this matters. Being a great business isn't enough if people can't find you. Combining digital marketing strategies for local businesses with hands-on outreach creates a steady stream of new customers and builds your reputation as a visible community player. A. Marketing that works for local businesses. Google Business Profile Optimization with updated hours, reviews, photos, and service categories, geo-targeted Facebook stories, Instagram ads that promote seasonal specials to people within 5 to 10 miles. Local SEO content, blog posts, and FAQ pages that answer popular near me. Search phrases, dedicated landing pages that highlight promotions, services, or appointment booking. Example, an HVAC company we worked with added FAQs plus photos to their GBP and started ranking for AC repair near me in 2 neighboring towns, bringing in dozens of new service calls. B. Local prospecting with purpose. Personally DM your followers and recent commenters with exclusive local discounts. Attend local markets or events and hand out QR code cards linking to Google reviews or offers. Text or email past clients with a VIP customer limited time deal. Why this works. Prospecting lets you tap into your existing local network with personalized touchpoints, boosting repeat visits and referrals. Remember, marketing, visibility, prospecting, priority, personal touch. You need both to grow. Content and social media. Tell your story, show your people why this matters. People buy from people they know. Telling your brand story and showcasing your team and customer experience through content marketing for local businesses creates emotional connections and builds trust. It also improves engagement, reach, and conversion rates on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Google's smart local content ideas. Team spotlights and behind-the-scenes fun, great for Instagram Reels and TikTok. User-generated content. Photos from happy customers and check-ins, before-after transformations, or in-progress services. Short videos that answer common questions or show your unique vibe. Example, a local gym started weekly member shoutouts and how we helped Reels. Engagement jumped 5x and led to 14 new trial memberships in 2 months. Their brand felt personal, not corporate. Automate your follow-up and keep them coming back. Why this matters. The easiest customers to win are the ones who already know you, but too many businesses forget to follow up. With an innovative CRM and marketing automation system, you can increase repeat visits and maximize your customer lifetime value. What to automate? Thank you texts and emails after every appointment or purchase. Monthly email newsletters featuring promotions, events, or local highlights. Automated birthday messages with a personal offer. Review request emails that boost your Google and Yelp visibility. Why it works. Follow-up keeps your brand top of mind, increases 5-star reviews, and fills your calendar without lifting a finger. Owner mindset. You're the boss, not the bottleneck. Why this matters. As a local business owner, you wear a lot of hats, but the more your business depends on you to operate, the less it can grow. Systems, tools, and mindset shifts free up your time to focus on what matters most, scaling sustainably and showing up as the leader your business needs. We help you focus on time blocking and batching, content creation or marketing tasks, creating SOPs and training a VA or part-timer to handle admin, implementing user-friendly software to simplify scheduling, orders, or communication. Example, a bakery owner used this mindset shift to automate online orders, Schedule posts 2 weeks in advance and take Mondays off. Sales still grew 20% in 60 days, and burnout dropped to zero. Final thoughts. Your community needs to find you. You've built something awesome. Now let's get more local visibility, website traffic, calls, and in-store visits without burning out. Resources to help you. Implement askaugie.com. Strategy, play, clarity coaching for local entrepreneurs. mymarkettools.com, local follow-up. Plus, we're CRM automation tools. askegaa.com, marketing services that bring more locals through the door. Ready to make your business the talk of the town? Let's build your growth engine, one system at a time. Book a call.